Hi, my name is Kurt Aspland, and this is my studio. Do you know one of the best ways you can improve as an artist is to draw a little bit every single day? So these videos are set up to be only 5 minutes long, and if you commit yourself to them, then you're going to see a great improvement over time. You're going to love this. Okay, let's get to drawing. First thing we want to do is to draw this angle. It's kind of like the base of a cube, the back end here, and then the front end. Now when we draw these stone stairs, there's only going to be 3 lines that we're going to use, 3 different directions, and you could see that with the red line, the blue line, and the yellow line. Make sure all your lines are parallel to one of these 3. So we're going to draw first the side of the stairs, and this will be our guide as we continue with the rest of it. Making sure we keep everything vertical where it needs to be vertical. So this is going to match the front, and we're going to come across. You can see it's staying parallel with the bottom. Then we're going to go back, and this is going to stay parallel with the side. That's the trick with drawing stairs. Keeping all your lines parallel with the correct line. And going back here. Matching that. And there you go. That is the most difficult part of drawing stairs. Now it's fun. Now we just have to decorate it. So in this case, we're going to use a stone facade, darkening some lines here so they stand out from the construction ones on the inside.
Whoa! Hey, if you're liking this video, make sure you subscribe right now below so I can keep making more. You got this.
And some variation is nice, especially when we're drawing something like stone, because that's going to show variation in nature. So here is the side. I'm going to start to lay in some stone here, and I'm kind of drawing it so it almost like it's reflecting on the surface. Not reflecting, but it's flat, so it's matching the surface that it's being drawn on. And I'm using variety, and creates interest for the eye, small and large stones. And then when I move over to the top, you will see that I'll start to draw them so they look like they are on the same surface as the top. I've brought up a sample of what the final stones should look like when they're drawn, and then a colored version as well. And you could do this with whatever program you might like. You could do this with colored pencils. You could do this with tone, watercolor, acrylic, whatever medium you like. And if you need to pause the video, this is a great time to do it so you could see what the final drawing looks like. And that should bring us to the end. That is how we draw stone stairs. All right, leave a comment, and I hope you enjoyed that. Have a great day. We'll see you tomorrow.